Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm student. Let me introduce myself. My name is Melina Putri Setiar Lambang, and I'm student of Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Implementation of women representative is in politics in the 2019 Regional Representative Council case study women representative in general election in Semarang City. Introduction. Election is a democratic instrument that is very important to present public officials who were expected to be able to bring justice and prosperity to its citizens. As for the important and constitutional instrument in the struggle for political power through election or political parties. The obligation to involve women in election has been stipulated by law number 10 of 28 on general election. This law stipulates an 13 quota system for the representation of female candidates with a zipper system and serial number rule. Pasal 173 paragraph 2 letter A, which state that the requirement to become a candidate for political party election participants include unless 13% of women representatives in the management of central political parties. Next. Thus, this study is a sphere for participants in the public sphere and participant politics because the law requirement that 13% of the management of political parties and the candidate representative to sit in the legislative body are women, including in government. 1. What is the role of the regional government in increasing women's representation in the politics of the Semarang City DPRD? What are the factors causing the failure of women representation in the legislative member of the Semarang City DPRD? Next, theoretical framework. Implementation definition. Implementation is a general process of administrative action that can be investigation at a central program level. Implementation is the sum function of policy former implementer, initiative, and time. Definition of DPRD. Regional People Representative Council, or abbreviated DPRD, is a regional people representative institution that is domiciled and as an element of the regional administration in province or district or city. In Indonesia, regency or city DPRD consists of members of political parties' participation in general election or electoral general election. Next, 3. Women representation. Women representation is the provision of equal opportunity and position for women in general election to carry out their roles, especially in the legislative fight. Empirical review. One of them is the vulnerable group that should be represented both descriptively and substantively in the group of women, referring to the statement of Union Women and UNDP 2050 as what candidate electoral administrators or party supporters. They can express their own needs and interests. Decisions better reflect the electorate's political process and the more inclusive democracy is strengthened. Next. In supporting the opinion of Union Women and UNDP, the National Democratic Institute, or the NDE, in an article entitled Why Women in Politics, Mission or Urgency of Women Present in Politics, where the formula 5 empirical background for why the presence of women in politics can bring about change in decision making, so as 1. Women work across party lines, so women lawmakers are highly responsive to constitution. Concrete 3. Women have security lasting pitch for women participants and encourage citizen confident in democracy. 5. Women priorities education, health, and other development indicator. Next, research method. The research as descriptive qualitative research. Qualitative research is research that produces descriptive data in the form of findings that can be activated by statistical procedure or from quantitative. Next, result of women representative in Semarang City. The result of total number of seats for women representatives in the DPRD in Semarang City. There are 11 women council members of 22%. This woman councillor then to give greater priority to policies related to issues such as family, children, education, health, and women compared to male board member in the 2014-2019 periods. The Semarang City DPRD has increased from the previous period. It is proven that there are 11 election female council members and the highest positions are occupied by women council members as deputy chairman of the commission is 2 people, and other legislative members are not only as commission but they also have a portion as member in the apparatus of the Semarang City DPRD, such as bodies, deliberation bodies for establishing regional regulation, budget bodies, and honorary bodies. 1. Swasti sebagai SPI, Deputy Commission and member of the Deliberate Council. Tunungkit Sundar as a member of Commission and the member of the Deliberative Council. 3. Trivera Wayatin as member of Commission and member of the Deliberative Council. 4. Lina Alina as member of Commission and as a member of the Deliberative Council. 5. Hani Khairo Solia as a member of Communication B and a member the Budget Committee. 6. Haji Wahyuningsih, member Commission B and a member of the Deliberative Council. 7. Nabila RP, member of Commission B and member of the Deliberative Council. 8. Suciati Sky, member of Commission C and a member of Regional Regulation Information Boards and the Honorary Boards. 9. Haji Umi Suroto Dinia SE, Deputy Chairman of Commission D and a member of the Deliberative Council. 10. Dr. Willy Jong Riningrum, member of Commission D and as a Deliberative Council and Regional Regulation Information Body. 11. Ratna Hadimurti, member of Commission D and a member of the Regional Regulation Information Body. Next. Faktor causing the failure or less of the quota umum representative in a legislative member in DPRD. Internal factor that cause the failure of women representative include health condition, political strategies, its political capital, social capital, and the economic capital. Apart from internal factor, there are external factors which can influence the favorability of candidate, including campaign factor, success team, new phases of legislative candidate, serial number, party vote, and individual vote. Perform issuing law and the regulation that can guarantee inscribe representative of women in the seat of the DPR. DPD and DPRD must also be announced by and vote to increase political participation in general election. The efforts that must be taken are 1. Education must be started from the family that taking part and the participation in the world of political is an important part of the society, the nation, and the state. 2. Girls take basic political education from high school to university are encouraged to actively participate in organizations such as OSIS, BEM, and extra-university organizations such as HMI, GMNI, Yoga organizations such as the KNPI, and social organizations such as Muhammadiyah, NU, and others. So it means that consciously women have prepared themselves to become leaders. X 3. To advocate from women so that they are called to participate in the political arena. 4. Preparing you from an early age to be called and encouraged to enter the world of political work and educational curriculum based on early introduction of politics. 5. Giving a legitimate awareness and accountability to women so that in various political activities such as participating in campaign vote, become legislative candidate for governor or deputy governor, mayor or deputy mayor, regents or deputy regent, and so on. Conclusion. women organization in order to sit in the legislature and make changes are still long and fraught with twists and turns. Not all women can sit or become people representative in the DPRD, but in affirmative action between men and women who have the right to equal political opportunities. But affirmative action is enough. This needs to be another with special step that this action does not only bring about things but contact possible that can be realized. The strategies paper women have the same right to get a good political education, either from family or top education, encourage women to be involved in organization, prepare women as early as possible to recognize policy, advocate for women on the importance of women involved in the world of politics, and finally, the government or political parties encourage to education women. Uh, Thank you for listening. May all that we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.